Are you trying to time your entry point of buying a home, but interest rates and home prices are still too intimidating? Are you waiting for interest rates to come down before getting pre-approved? Are you worried about locking into an interest rate that's too high, or maybe concerned about locking into an interest rate too soon, only to find out that interest rates just dropped after you sign loan documents on your future home and mortgage? If you answered yes to any of these questions, it's important that you are aware of the following options. Number one, go ahead and get pre-approved. Interest rates are moving around all of the time, so don't get left behind before prices are back on the rise or you miss out on the perfect home. Number two, discuss what your interest rate buy-down options are with your lender so you can lower your payment and possibly increase your buying power at the same time. Number three, ask your lender about their float down policy should interest rates go down just before you sign your loan docs. This could save you a lot of money and time from feeling like you should shop your lender out at the last minute. Need buying consultation to bring all of the pieces together? Call me or text me at 971-832-1234 or email me at jason@gardnerteam.net. All of us here at Gardner Team Real Estate sincerely look forward to hearing from you.